these bags are smaller than the other ones, the pink, the green, the light turquoise. So I'm hoping that I have enough. For the other ones, about 2 bags is enough. So these I don't know capability. I'm hoping, because I don't know where I got these, and the dollar store's not carrying them in this format anymore. So 2 bags may be enough. Oh my goodness. How lucky is that?
Next, I'm going to do this seat on the in the little woodland area. Carter's seat.
Okay. This poplar goes with the red. It's a little bit more of a deeper blue.
I'm going to be doing the grouting on here today. This is something that I do not enjoy doing. So, yeah. We're not supposed to have any rain, but it's a little cloudy, so I'm a little concerned. But I will keep my fingers crossed. I know using paper. I'm not doing it. This is the way I do it. I have it in plastic as well. If I do what I do is next week I'm going to find you the big one to put the Okay, so there's that one there. Beautiful. And this one here, it's still a little cloudy, but it's done. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Beautiful. A little woodland snack area. So I went to get everything ready for the to wash the chairs. And I ended up being sidetracked. Started to take down the hose, but because it got stuck on all of the stressed wood like we have on the fence that has fallen, I got sidetracked and I fixed the fence. So the best that it can be fixed for the time being. I love the cottage and the way I'm going to do it. That way that it's going to be, it's not going to be a cottage you would see new made of anyway, he did terrible job on that, and I asked him to fix it. I thought it was expensive, didn't. There were some things I did do that I appreciate in the night, such as a little fairy stage, and he took down some of the trees. There we go. All done. So it's that time of the day that was just beautiful here. With, it's nice quiet, as it usually is. There's still people here. It's the end of the season. Well, I don't like saying that because it's not. We've done another month of summer. So here's the fence that I fixed. Not perfect, but it's gonna do just fine. So these flowers are so beautiful. Look at that, and there's a bumblebee over there. There's 3 of them, but those other 2, I haven't had anything from them yet. So I'd like to keep these here. Maybe closer to, I might transplant this big one over there, but I don't know why the other 2 are not giving me any flowers. So I may not move this one, just to make sure I don't lose it. This is the area that I'd like to focus on next year, is doing the gardens here with the block stone that I've been using, and then carry it up towards the, over there by the vases. Just do little steps all the way up. So I did not do the chairs. I'm disappointed, but yeah, that's gonna have to be a priority for me next week. Look at these impatiens. They are just gorgeous, doing so nicely here. And over here we have Mr. Snail. I have to get some hair for him, and these do less well, but I think those 2 there, we could probably use an axe to take out the center that is fraying, so that I can put impatiens there as well. These 3 will not do the same thing because these have bark and they're oak. I don't think this is oak, or maybe it is, but nothing's happening with these, so you will not do that with those. So this time of the day is so nice to just sit by the beach and have a coffee. So nice. And look at that little table. Oh my goodness. So it's a little cloudy. I don't know if I'll take another. No, it'll easily come off. So I'll just leave it. I don't want to do any damage. So this one is done. I love that. And this one as well will be lovely. But for now, it's not so lovely. And I can't do those because it's still wet underneath. I just want it to be, it's going to be lower here. There's nothing we can do. So the only thing I can do is just start over with the whole thing, which I'm not sure I want to do. Yeah, it's a little lower there, which is fine. It's better than it was. From here it looks pretty good, pretty flat. And I will show you what I did here. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that this is done. So that one, the beads are quite smaller because, so you can just kind of buff them and they come out nice and clean. But because we had to put more, it's higher, the mortar, or the grout, I should say. Oh, these ones too, nice. Oh, I can't believe it's done. It's only been 10 months. So happy. So happy.